Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning session. In this session, I'll be talking about data lake as a service. We know that data lake is an aggregation of data in a native format so that it can be used for multiple purposes, either for hypothesis testing or to create a data mart or to create a data warehouse and so on and so forth. Now this data lake is available as a service. So we all know that cloud computing is all about services. Apart from three fundamental service models, cloud computing gives you service for every functionality, whether it's converting of currency or doing your document conversion and so on and so forth. So a data lake as a service provides a pre-built cloud service that abstracts the complexity of underlying platform and infrastructure layers, so a company can use data lake without having to install or maintain the technology themselves. So it in line with cloud computing, where actually you don't have to install or buy or actually own a software or the hardware. Data lake comes as a service. This category is emerging, so the specific software and services provided by vendors vary greatly. Common capabilities generally include automated provisioning, scalable data storage, varying levels of analytic function, and a simplified interface for management. Beyond those, data lake as a service providers can differ greatly with the different features catered to different use cases. For example, Kaizen data lake as a service includes end-to-end security with data movers that can it simplify, encrypt, move and load data into the cloud.